नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? सारे लोग खुश हो? हैप्पी? होमवर्क ढंग से कर रहे हो? गुड. You all are fine? Writing your homework proper? Super. Good children. Okay. Before starting the class, what we are doing? We will go for one line Hindi speaking. Okay? We will learn one line how to speak in Hindi. So today, before starting the class, what we will do? We will read Hindi speaking. Yah and wah. Last classes also I taught you question marks and some words like she, he, what that word we will say in Hindi. Today I will tell you how we will use that word in Hindi. First we will see yah. Yah means this. Yah means this. This. This is a book. This is a book. In Hindi what we will say? Yah pustak hai. यह पुस्तक है. यह मीन्स दिस. पुस्तक मीन्स बुक. है इज. ओके, है मीन्स इज. यह पुस्तक है. दिस इज अ बुक. नेक्स्ट वी विल सी. यह एक बस्ता है. दिस इज अ बैग. दिस इज अ बैग. बैग मीन्स बस्ता. बैग मीन्स बस्ता. Your school bag is there, that is in Hindi we will say basta. And yah means this. Ek means a in Hindi it will be ek, and is means hai. Yah ek basta hai. This is a bag. Okay, this is a bag. यह फ्रॉक मेरी है. यह फ्रॉक मेरी है. This frock is mine. This frock is mine. Mine means my or mine. Both are same. Okay? In Hindi that will be meri. Frock you all know. Frock. And yah means this. So, I means, that also I taught. I means मैं. My means मेरा. I means मैं and my means मेरा. यह मेरी फ्रॉक है. अदरवाइज यह फ्रॉक मेरी है. दिस फ्रॉक इज माइन और दिस इज माई फ्रॉक. यह मोर है. यह मोर है. दिस इज अ पीकॉक. ओके, दिस इज अ पीकॉक. पीकॉक मीन्स मोर. And other you know, this means yah and is means hai. This is a peacock. In Hindi we will say yah मोर है. Next, वह means that. वह means that. वह मेज है. That is a table. So now you understand. यह means this and वह means that. वह मीन्स दैट. वह मेज है. दैट इज अ टेबल. दैट इज अ टेबल. वह पौधा है. वह पौधा है. दैट इज अ प्लांट. प्लांट मीन्स पौधा. प्लांट मीन्स पौधा. एंड दैट मीन्स वह. You all know that means things you can see but that is not near to you. वह अलमारी है. अलमारी मीन्स कबर्ड. अलमारी मीन्स कबर्ड. दैट इज एन अलमीरा. Here and they have put because before any vowel you have to put n instead of a. Okay, so that is an अलमीरा. वह मेढक है. That is a frog. Frog you know in Hindi what we will say? मेढक. Okay, so that is a frog. So this was our Hindi speaking. Some small sentence we have learned in Hindi how to say. And see, with this sentence some new word also you have learned in Hindi. Do you know what is that new word? Pustak, book. Basta, bag. Mary, mine. More, peacock. Mage, table. पौधा, plant. Almari, almirah. Medhak, frog. Okay, so with this sentence some new word also you have learned. Now we will start our new lesson. मनुष्य की परिभाषा, lesson number 10, lesson number 12, मनुष्य की परिभाषा. मनुष्य means human. Okay, so with this sentence some new word also you have learned. Now we will start our new lesson. मनुष्य की परिभाषा, lesson number 10, lesson number 12, मनुष्य की परिभाषा. मनुष्य means human. मनुष्य means human. परिभाषा means definition. परिभाषा means definition. So what is the definition of human? What is human being? We will learn in this. म न पे छोटा उपमात्रा नू, हाफ श and य. This is half षटकोण स. मनुष्य की प र पे छोटी की मात्रा री, भ पे आ की मात्रा भा एंड श पे आ की मात्रा शा. भाषा. मनुष्य की परिभाषा. परिभाषा मीन्स डेफिनेशन. Manusya means human. So what is the definition of human? What is the human being? What is our duty? In this lesson we will learn. So this is like a act. Okay, this is like a acting is there na? Two people will do acting. That is like this lesson. दो मनुष्यों का दल आपस में बात कर रहे हैं. पहला दल दूसरे से कुछ सवाल पूछता है. So two group of people talking to each other, like this is a group discussion. Okay, this is like a group discussion and they are talking to each other. So first party, okay, two group is there. First group they are asking, क्या तुमने सागर देखा है? सागर means sea, ocean. Okay, सागर means sea or ocean you can say. क्या means what? देखा है means seen. Did you see the ocean? Did you see the sea? Second group is saying, हाँ देखा है. हाँ means yes, we have seen. Okay. Again first group is asking, तुमने आंधी देखी है? So they are saying, did you see cyclone? Group 1 is asking, did you see cyclone? Second group is saying, yes, हाँ देखी है. Yes, we have seen. Again second group is asking, बड़े बड़े बिजली के खंभे देखे हैं? Did you see a big electric pillar? Second group, देखे हैं. Yes, we have seen. Again first group is asking, हवा को बहते देखा है? Did you see the blowing of air, blowing of wind? Second group is saying, yes, देखा है. Yes, we have seen. Again first group is asking, छप्परों को उड़ते देखा है? छप्पर means sheet. Some houses sheet will be there na? Like a mud house you can see, or some house where cement sheet will be there, asbestos will be there. That if cyclone will come, what will happen? That will go away. Okay, it will go away, it will broke due to air, due to wind, speed of wind, that will fall na. So that is छप्पर. छप्परों को उड़ते देखा है? Second group is saying, yes, we have seen. Again first group people is asking, people are asking, पर्वतों को देखा है? पर्वत means mountain. Okay, mountains. So did you see the mountains? Second group, yes, देखा है जी, देखा है. Yes, we have seen. First group again they are asking, क्या गर्मी, सर्दी और धूप, छांव को महसूस किया है? Did you see hot season, summer season, winter season, sunny days, shadow, did you feel any time? Second party is saying yes, we have seen. फर्स्ट ग्रुप, सुख दुख और आग पानी को महसूस किया है. फर्स्ट ग्रुप इज आस्किंग हैप्पीनेस, सारो, फायर, वाटर, दिस ऑल थिंग्स डिड यू फील? सेकेंड ग्रुप इज सेइंग यस वी हैव सीन. फर्स्ट ग्रुप, एक पहेली हम पूछें बतलाओगे? कैन आई आस्क यू वन रिडल, विल यू टेल अस? सेकेंड ग्रुप इज सेइंग हाँ बतलाएंगे, यस वी विल से. क्यों आंधी पेड़ों को दे गिरा और घास को रखे संभाल? सो फर्स्ट ग्रुप पीपल आर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन, व्हाई व्हेन साइक्लोन कम्स big trees will fall and small grasses will be same condition, maybe they will bend and again they will stand. Why? So what is the question? When cyclone comes, why big strong tree will fall and small grasses will be same condition, they will not fall? Why? Second group is saying, जो झुकता नहीं, भूमि से लगता नहीं, अकड़ में रहता सदा, वह टूटकर गिर जाता सदा. Second group is saying, a person who is not bending here means who is not polite, भूमि से लगता नहीं, and who is always having the attitude, I am big, I am powerful, okay, who is living in this attitude, I am only one thing, I am right, okay, वह टूट कर गिर जाता सदा, that person always will fall, otherwise that person, that type of nature people, always they will be unsuccessful in life. पहला दल, फर्स्ट ग्रुप, तुमको क्या संदेश मिला बतलाओगे? With this riddle, what message you are getting? Can you tell me? सेकेंड ग्रुप, नम्रता गुण है महान, नम्रता स्वर्ग का दूजा नाम. So with this riddle, what message we are getting? Politeness, okay, respecting others, be polite, okay, this is a great quality of a human, okay, being polite is a great quality of a human, okay, and politeness is the second name of heaven, politeness is the second name of heaven. पहला दल, ग्रुप 1, यदि हम विनम्र रहेंगे बोलो क्या बन जाएंगे? If we will be polite, say what will happen to us, how we will be. If we are polite, how we will be. Second group, प्रेम पात्र बन जाएंगे, आदर सत्कार पाएंगे. If you will be polite to everyone, you will be soft, you will respect to others, and everyone will start to love you, and wherever you will go, people will respect you, okay, people will wish you, they will respect you, they will care for you. यदि अहम न होगा हमें प्रेम का पाठ पढ़ाएंगे. If we don't have the attitude, okay, when we don't have the attitude, we will teach a lesson to others also, to being kind, to being lovely, kind and helpful for others. पहला दल, तुमको संदेश क्या मिला? नम्रता गुण है महान, नम्रता स्वर्ग का दूजा नाम, ओके. यदि हम विनम्र रहेंगे बोलो क्या बन जाएंगे? प्रेम पात्र बन जाएंगे, आदर सत्कार पाएंगे. So when you will be polite, when you will be kind, when you will obey to your elders, you will respect, everyone will start to love you and everyone will be very kind for you also. यदि अहम न होगा हमें प्रेम का पाठ पढ़ाएंगे. And when if we don't have the ego attitude in our nature, we will teach loving, caring lesson to others also with our behavior. अहिंसा को बढ़ाएंगे तब सच्चे मनुष्य कहलाएंगे. ओके, अहिंसा को बढ़ाएंगे. अहिंसा मीन्स not killing, not hitting, hurting anyone. Okay, we should not hurt anyone. Okay, mentally, physically, financially, we should not hurt anyone. अहिंसा को बढ़ाएंगे. We will take forward to अहिंसा means kindness. तब सच्चे मनुष्य कहलाएंगे. And when all people will start to teach to others also and change in and change ourselves also to be kind, be helpful, be loving, being caring to others, then only we will be the true human. Okay, we will be the true human being. So what is the moral of the story? इंसान को विनम्र होना चाहिए. A person should always be humble. Okay, a person should always be humble. Always we should be very polite, respect to others. Okay, be kind for others and always ready for others to help. So children, today we have learned our lesson 12. मनुष्य की परिभाषा, the true definition of human. Okay, and we have learned some Hindi speaking, yah and wah, how to use and what is the meaning. Okay, you also do the reading practice in house for this lesson, and your question answer and word meaning will go with your assignment. It will go in your assignment. See the video, do the reading practice. After that, start to write your homework. Your homework should be neat and clean. Okay children, and submit on time, same day. After writing the homework, evening, submit your homework. Thank you children. Have a good day.